What should you assess for when hiring in early careers? Well, I'm of the opinion that cognitive ability is by far the most important thing. Ultimately, behavioural traits, hard skills are going to have some value here from a predictive perspective, but in reality, it's just not as important. So, for example, when it comes to behavioural data, grads, interns, apprentices, they're kind of blank slates. They've never worked anywhere else. They haven't picked up any bad habits. And the workplace is so inherently novel to them, they won't be behaving like themselves for quite some time. And so those natural behavioral inclinations just aren't going to add as much value as they would do with someone a little bit more senior. Similarly, when it comes to hard skills, technical skills, those kind of specific areas of knowledge, they're probably not going to have those anyway. And those that do probably won't have a great deal of them. They are new, they're fresh, they're just finishing education, they haven't worked anywhere before. What you want is potential, and more importantly, the potential to learn, acquire those skills, and build on their knowledge and succeed in any qualifications that you put them through. Because organizations, they make very big investments into early careers, providing them with training and development and indeed qualifications which are both expensive and time consuming. You need to make sure those people can benefit from those things. And simply having educational requirements, UCAS points, and degree classification is a very blunt tool for doing this. There are thousands of reasons why someone would do well or poorly in education. Cognitive ability and the ability to learn is only one of them, and it is by no means the most important. Instead, you have to assess for it specifically using ability tests, using aptitude tests. There's no other way around it, but when you have that information, you will know who will learn, who will develop, and who will succeed in the training that you put them through.